It's on pause. This is going to my YouTube, guys.
What is?
This.
What?
My phone.
You making a video?
I'm making a video of the movie. Get away, Cody.
We're going to your YouTube?
Yeah.
How long will it be?
I don't know.
Can I make a video?
I'm not letting you make it on my YouTube.
Please, just one.
Fine. Yeah, convince me it'll be a good video, though. I need more subscribers, and that's why I'm doing this. Because I don't have any subscribers.
I can do a jingle bells for you.
You can wait until this video is done.
Yeah, but we'll have to do it after the movie, so and y'all don't yell.
Sorry, everybody, that you had to see my finger.
Just kidding, it's my finger.
Get out! We're not kidding. We're actually watching, everybody. Dawn of the Rise of the Planet of the Apes.
Dawn of the Apes.
However you call it. Or however you say it, in whatever language you are. Or whatever race you are. Because I'm kinda white and black mixed. I'm a white African American. Shut up!
You ain't gonna get no subscribers.
I will.
You're being racist.
You all know what? That's just because a lot of more people in this world are racist than they
You
are.
voted for Donald Trump, Dan.
I did not vote. I voted for Hillary Clinton.
Donald Trump.
Clinton.
Oh yeah, and if you watch this video, hit the like button to this video, and then there'll be an upcoming channel called Tinsel Gamer 101. You might want to subscribe to that too.
No, don't do it. Tinsel Gamer sucks. Whatever you do, please try your best to subscribe to my videos.
Subscribe to both of those channels, but Tinsel Gaming 101 is not out yet, so still in the process of making.
I've already set up my account, guys.
Mine will be there. Right now, the monkey's clapping.
Well, monkeys on drugs, guys. If you think about it, you can go to the zoo and they probably have a bag of marijuana there. Oh, sorry, guys. I took my hand off the movie.
So they haven't been seeing it the whole time?
No, because you stuck your dumb finger there. We're stopping right